Where's smoke going? Puts out quite a cloud of smoke, especially on high. Its voltage can last longer if you're going at a more modest speed, but it won't put out as much smoke as you can see. Hardly anything. Speed it back up, and you get smoke because it works on the voltage. Definitely a must-have for any N-gauge collector and a smoky unit. And this one, like I said, it's really rare with the headlight and the smoke unit. Anyway, let's stop it here. I'll show you what it looks like up close. Hopefully there's not too much fluid in it. It's got a can't tell. I think it's a KD coupler. It's definitely a KD or what are the Microtrains coupler. It's got you know, the pickups on the tender, both stirrups on the tender on the front, the little teeny things on the front, the two stirrups. It's connected with a screw. It's got wire running from the tender inside the engine for the electrical pickup. And these things are notorious for missing side rods, but everything's here on this one. Overall, it's in excellent condition. The front railings are good. Look like they're all intact. And the smoke unit's right there, and the tank's right below it. It's integrated into where the light used to go. So you can see the wire. There's a red and a black wire. It's kind of hard to see maybe in the video, running up to the headlight housing where the micro LED sits inside of it. Maybe you can see it right there. Anyway, other than what I mentioned before with the windows and the bell, which goes right here, that's missing in action. The bell would be really easy to replace. The windows, you might have to find something that would work for those, but it looks pretty good without either of them items. In fact, I think it looks fine. I didn't really notice it. It's been that way since I bought it, and I bought it years and years ago. Those items that are missing, I never really paid any attention to or noticed. So it'll be on eBay. Good luck. It'll be an auction. Thanks for watching. Bye.